Jason from Wakemakers, and this is the Fly High Pro X Series ballast bag. I wanted to walk through some of the aspects of Fly High's Pro X Series products in terms of their construction, the materials that they're made out of, the ports, just the common questions that we get. So this applies to any Fly High Pro X Series ballast bag. Doesn't matter what model, what size or shape the bag is. All of their bags are built exactly the same. There's no difference, between their various products. So first thing to talk about is construction. Fly High bags are made out of highly durable, very thick vinyl material, and its trade name is Valmex. It's the same material that's used to produce whitewater rafts and Zodiac boats. So it's intended to be used in high stress applications, rubbing up against abrasive rocks, things like that. So for our application in a ballast bag in a boat, it's certainly up to the challenge. So you're not going to find anything typical boat that's going to cause any damage to the bag. Its material is very thick, really high quality resistance to tearing and puncture, so a really durable product. The only downside to that extra durability that their bag offers is that it can be a little bit difficult to fold up. So if you're looking for a bag that you can fold up when you're not using it and stow away in a locker or something like that, the Fly High product, just because of that extra thickness, is a little bit more difficult than some of the other bags to actually put away and store. So that's something to be aware of. The construction of the bag is a welded seam construction, so it's completely waterproof. There's no outer cover inner liner arrangement. That's one of the things that Fly High did that really revolutionized the industry. Is just a single layer, so you don't have to mess around with keeping the ports lined up with access zippers and things of that nature. And then as far as the ports go, they're welded in during the construction of the bag, so they can't be added after the fact, unfortunately. The way the bag ships with the ports is the way it's going to be, just because of the installation process. But it is a very durable connection. It's not glued on. It's not going to come undone. It's actually fused together and becomes basically one part. So really durable system for the fittings. The diameter of the Fly High ports is 3/4 inch. And that's the same for all of their bags. So it doesn't matter how you're going to use the bag, what hose size you're going to connect to. They only offer one port size on all of their bags. And then from there, we connect to that port based on the application with different sizes of fittings and different types of fittings. So here's a handful of the fittings that they offer. These are for the Flow-Right Quick Connect system that would be used to integrate this bag into an automated system that's already in the boat using one of our factory ballast upgrades, or to integrate it into a fully automated system that you might be installing. And then this is the standard fitting system that comes with most of their bags, and this is for use with one of their portable pumps. The Tsunami pump or the Elevate turbo pump will work with this fitting system as well. So depending on how you're using the bag, the fitting just threads into the port and makes a secure watertight connection, and that's all there is to it. So really great system, very versatile, but there is just the one size port on the bag. You don't need to worry about getting the right size bag port on the bag, because they just offer the one size and then we adapt it with the fittings. So that's the Fly High Pro X Series ballast bag. If you have any questions about their product line, finding the right bag for your boat or your application, feel free to give us a call. Our toll-free number is 888-338-6085, or you can email us. Our email address is sales@wakemakers.com.